My goal was to recreate the fast-moving presets from Premiere Pro and Tinytapes. And in doing so, I came up with rapid moving effects. Preset pack is going to be launching this coming Friday. Quickly take your edits from this to this. Once downloaded and installed, go to Effects, go to Generators, GSFX, the drop down arrow, and you'll see a folder for rapid movement. You click on it and you get all the presets. Grab a generator and place it on top of your clip. Now by default, they're 5 seconds. So you're gonna click on it, hit Control D or Command D on Mac. You're gonna go over here and click frame. The generators are designed to work anywhere from 4 to 8 frames. I'm gonna click 6 and hit change. I'm gonna hold Alt on the keyboard or Option on Mac, and I'm gonna scroll the mouse wheel to stretch out my timeline. Place your generator in between your 2 clips to create a transition. And if you have a problem placing the clip, use the period and comma keys to go back and forward to place it. Now over in the Inspector tab, I didn't include any settings because these effects happen so quickly. Any adjustments to them you really can't actually see, but the generator clips do automatically scale. So if I zoom in here and I stretch this clip out, the effect of the generator clip is gonna carry out throughout that whole duration. Let me know in the comment section if you think I should add any controls in the Inspector tab. I do a free update for that. And of course, free updates for life. Pre-orders are live at gsmixedmedia.store. Link is in the description. Releasing this Friday at an introductory price of $14.99. And until the next video, y'all be easy.